There are many times, oh yes, many times when I've ridiculed, hurt myself with lies, don't apologize anymore. 'Cause sorry won't change the past, oh, and break my heart. So I'm gonna do my very best to heal those. Say why can't I forget you? Say why can't I resist your love? Say why can't I forget you? Say why can't I resist your love? See now confusion is breaking in and revealing to me that even after all the hurt, I'm still forgiving. But I don't seem to understand, oh, why you don't give up. 'Cause you got me tranced in a hopeless romance that has me asking myself, why can't I forget you? See why can't I resist your love? See why can't I forget you? See why can't I resist your love? So now answer me this question. Now please tell me why the love is different. But now the score is tight. 'Cause later down the line, you're gonna realize that I'm the only one that you need in your life. And I've got news for you. But don't you come running back when you know you wasn't true. Boo! That's all I can do.